So a CRM is a piece of software where you track your customer relationships and you manage them, customer relationship management. So imagine, like, if you're watching this video and you go apply to Dixie Technical College, you are now a sale for them, right? Like, you're potentially someone that could close and become a customer, student. And when you apply, you will fill out a Zoho creator form. That creator form will create you as a contact and an application record in Zoho CRM. You're gonna get an automated email, an automated text message, a link to schedule a Calendly appointment. You'll get a really friendly note from some human at Dixie Tech that says, hey, call me anytime, text me anytime. And you might text them or call them or reach out to them, and you'll be like, oh, this person's really friendly. They really care about my customer experience up here at Dixie Tech. And you might convert into becoming a customer. That whole process of like getting humans to swarm you with care and attention to try and solve your pain point, that was facilitated by a graduate of one of our programs who built this system to help Dixie Tech's customers convert better.